and I feel happy. There must be something wrong, 'cause it's been way too long since I feel cute, and I feel happy. I don't know what to think, 'cause you were making me feel cute. So to surprise me for the first time, I was fine with that, and I'm just saying that I can't imagine getting bored of that, cause every other time my heart was online, I end up disappointed and I push it to the side. Don't know what to do, cause when it comes to you, there's no sign of that, cause
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. For today's video is gagawa ako ng birthday week in my life. Birthday week in my life. Parang week in my life ngayong birthday ko. So magsa-start ako ngayon. Tapos mag-e-end to sa March 30 kasi yun yung birthday ko. So i-vlog ko yun. Ngayon pupunta kami ng mga friends ko sa San Juan kasi mag-brunch date kami and magka-cafe after. So guys, alam ko birthday ko, pero may bibigay ako sa inyo a little something. Pero hindi to mahal guys, baka mag-expect kayo ng sobra. Guys, random lang to. So, walang uy, kakasal ka na ulit? So, walang ano yan. Ito, mosquito patch to. 36 pieces to kasi alam niyo naman mahihita sa mosquito patch. Ano yan guys? Pin yan. Alam niyo yung pag maluwag yung damit niyo. So yan. Tapos ito, cotton pads. Ayun, ito salamin. So a little something lang kasi alam kong magagamit niyo yan. Anong meron? Thank you. Sean Andrea.
I'm so happy.
Za.
Ako gagamitin ko na to.
Thank you. Didikit ko na to.
Very useful.
So, ayan. Oh my gosh! Nakala ko hindi alam. Thank you so much, guys. Yung regalo nila sa akin. Napakita ko sa inyo.
Hindi ka to. Isang cup.
Yan. Yung Di Alba. Ito yung Di Alba na face mist. Yan. Tapos, Get Ready With Me na brow lift. Party. Tapos, yung isa ay Get Ready With Me lip liner. Tapos, ito free lang daw to sa Di Alba. Yung face mask. So, yan. Nahulog siya. Ay, thank you po. Thank you guys so much.
Midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fun.
Parang dati lang yung ano? Yan, tingnan nyo nga. Hindi, parang IG.
Good morning. It's March 27 today. Procession day ngayon. Magde-design kami ng karo. Every year, ito na yung yearly tradition talaga namin na nagpro-procession kami. Kasi may Lord of Pardon kami. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo si Lord of Pardon. Milk tea break. Fruit tea. Serenity. We're just waiting. Magpo-position na kami. Ito si Mommy. Mommy, say hi!
Hi!
Wait lang. Hi! Mami, hi!
Hi!
Si Mami. Ano siya? 91 years old na siya. Bibigyan ka ng bracelet. Sa may pa daw. What color? Ano? Anong gusto mong kulay? Bigyan ko daw siyang bracelet.
White or red?
Wait lang ate! White. White na lang. Oh, ito. Oh, so,
Ito, meron lang.
it's already 10 PM and tapos na kami mag-procession. Base na rin. Lalabas kami kasi magmumunhay kami, mag-hotpot kami. So, kain muna after the procession. It's my birthday, I'ma do what I like. Today is March 30. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Pupunta kami sa Green Hills. May bibilin lang kami. Ay, ikukunin lang din kami. And bibili kami ng mga pangdagdag dun sa handa namin later. So, yeah. Ang ganda na ng bagong mall sa Green Hills, yung GH Mall or Green Hills Mall. Di ko alam yung tawag eh, pero sabi ni Achi, yun daw yung name. So, maganda na siya. Sobrang laki niya. May yaw-yaw pa. Dahil sa yaw-yaw. Sa Pancake House. So, iniintay lang namin yung food namin kasi mga 20 minutes pa daw. Dami naming food. Binigyan kami ng pancake kasi nag-customer feedback kami. Tapos, dahil birthday ko, binigyan kami ng card. So, meron siyang libre na house special set A saka birthday month na pancake. So, cleaning namin. Tina-take out na lang namin. Ito yung take out namin, guys. Sobrang laki. Dami. Thank you, Pancake House. Akala ko sponsored. Thanks, Pancake House. Thank you, Sir Deo. Dito kami sa Green Hills na Pancake House. Sobrang bait ni Sir Deo. Yun yung nag-assist namin.
Dani, may 1 tera ka MacBook, bro?
Yes po. At saka 1 tera.
Nandito kami sa Hoshino Coffee sa may Green Hills Mall. So, kakain kami ng lunch. Bumili ako ng phone. Pakita ko na lang yung clips ng pagkabili. Bumili ako ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Uwi na kami. Sobrang liwanag. Nasa parking lot kasi kami, so hindi maganda yung lightning. Anyway, bumili kami yaw-yaw. Every time talaga na may mall na may yaw-yaw, bumibili talaga kami kasi yaw-yaw is life. Char. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, guys, and always wash your hands. See you on the next one. Bye!